my super fun and healthy daily routine. I wake up early in the morning when the sun comes out. First, I brush my teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Then I wash my face and comb my hair nicely. After that, I do a little stretching and jumping to wake up my body. It makes me feel fresh and strong. Then, I eat a yummy and healthy breakfast with fruits and milk. It gives me lots of energy to learn and play. I go to school, listen to my teacher, and try my best in class. When I come back home, I finish my homework first, then play outside with my friends. At night, I help my mom read a bedtime story and go to sleep on time. That's my routine, full of good habits and fun. Do you have a healthy routine too? Let's be strong and happy together. Girl waves and giggles as the scene fades with happy music.
Hi friends, my name is Amina. I guess I wake up very late. Sometimes even when the sun is already high in the sky, I don't like brushing my teeth. It takes too long. And combing my hair. New way, my hair is always wild and crazy. I skip breakfast sometimes, or just eat chips and candy. Then I sit and watch cartoons all day. No reading, no homework. And guess what? I never help Mom poops. I throw my toys everywhere and never clean my room. At night, I stay up super late playing games on the phone. Then I feel so tired the next day. HMM. Maybe I should change a few things, right? I think good habits make you feel better. I'm going to try it tomorrow. Girls